Okay, where do I have my PPM Husky? I think I'm going to change this. This is the Tollcat 2.0 I'm working with for my hunting EDC everyday carry when I'm hunting. Has tons of stuff in it right now. But anyways, my PPM Husky is buried in here. And as you can see, she's used and abused. Alright, out of popular demand or request, here is my VANQUEST PPM Husky. This is an update. This is 2 years in the making. I've used this. As you can see how dirty it is. It goes in my lunchbox every day at work. Goes with me out in the woods. It's just a great EDC kit. So let's open it up. You look at the stitching, it's just everything's held up very well. Nothing's pulling apart. But in the front pouch, I have some. I got like 3 of them. These are the Apoco Box guitar picks. Great fire starters. I'll open this up, and there. First thing you see is this SE Cordura is what I don't know, just a sweet little knife. Leatherman side clip. Opinel number 6. This is sheath, neck sheath is made by CP Kydex. Or Country Prepper. So this is one of my favorite little folding knives. I did some mustard force patina on there. Everything's staggered in here, so it fits real well. On my little key lanyard, A2 front sight, Smith & Wesson revolver key, and a P38. I come in here, got Right in the Rain book. Got pencil, pilot, ball pen, a Sharpie, and that's about it on that side. Got Bic lighter. This is my go-to fire starter first, is always a Bic. Gorilla drive for USB stuff, videos, whatnot. T1 or TI3 flash through night flashlight, works real good. Got an extra battery. Fingernail clippers. Human Gear spork. This is worked real well for me in a pinch at work or whatever. It don't break like the other sporks do. I really like these. And it goes back together like so. Little Stanley pry bar. You can get these at your little Home Depots or Menards or little box stores. Fire steel and striker. Hemostats for stitches or whatnot. And I have some first aid in here. Some sutures, some moleskin, whatnot, band-aids. Also got a little bobby pin there for picking out slivers, and that's pretty much it that's in there. Packed full of stuff. See how these things are staggered, so it allows you to get more stuff in the bag. So alright, I'll put the links down to this unit and then everything in the bag itself. It weighs 1 pound 10 3/4 ounces with all this gear in there. So actually, it's holds a lot of gear.